How walking helps the brain. Can the simple habit of walking make our brains more creative and happy? Of course. Many doctors agree with this. A neuroscientist and director of the Center for Neuroscience in Madrid, Spain, prescribed to do 1 hour walking. If you walk every day, it will improve significantly. Automated brain and unhappiness. The brain has a very interesting aspect to remember. Automated and, as a result, stressed. The biggest enemy of the brain is monotony. The simple act of doing the same thing every day puts us in a form of depression and the inevitable depression. Little by little, our brain slows down. Attention is no longer the same as before and there is no new stimulus to focus on. Memory loss occurs because there are only a few things that interest you. Due to low motivation, memory activity is also weakened. Monotony diminishes our enthusiasm and disappoints us, and as a result, a lack of neural communication and synapses has a major impact on our brain. Day after day, our brains begin to behave as if they were automated. There is no longer time to have fun or be creative, and the brain is dominated by established guidelines, for example, like a previously programmed computer. This poses a great risk to mental and physical health. Walking, acts of personal freedom. Walking people have no obligations, they just have the simple joy of freeing themselves step by step during walking. At least a week has passed and walking has become a habit of our lives. When it became, the brain doesn't have to worry about anything while walking. Walking is easy and anyone can do it. In addition, by taking in more oxygen into the body and breathing in the clean air in nature, you will feel better. It is at this moment that the frontal lobes, which are associated with creativity and state of mind, begin to be stimulated. In addition to this, when endorphins are naturally secreted, they are magical. The brain feels a lot of euphorias and becomes more optimistic. Improving the state of mind increases creativity. Without pressure, the hormone cortisol secreted during stress disappears, breaking the walls that made us negative. This is the moment when we can see things from another angle. We are more relaxed, more enthusiastic, and more confident. People are accustomed to moving around in small spaces. Homes, workplaces, restaurants, supermarkets, these are always limited spaces with lots of people. Well-known places sometimes make us more nervous. However, a walk in a spacious space surrounded by nature is a wonderful act full of freedom and liberation. We recommend walking for at least 30 minutes each day. Go to parks, mountains, and beaches. In just a few weeks you will find that you are in good physical and mental health. Walking is definitely much better than painkillers and vitamins.